tell me it's all in a lie, and it's on again. But I won't worry, I'll be free. Yeah, I'll be the only child of the love I see. I've been known to take my time.
Happy birthday, Langi. I love you, sweetheart. Enjoy your day. May God continue to bless you with many more years to come. Okay? Go and rock the house, sweetheart. Glad to see you soon.
On my mind, since you're on my mind, I live a life that others live, but I'm far away. I'll do the cards, you roll the dice, and we'll play the game. And if I win, I'll sweetly say, and now you'll miss the moon today. I've been known to take my time, and I've been told that I'm alright, but I don't know if I'm your kind. All I know is that you are on my mind. You're on my mind. All my energy, all my lazy days, keep reminding me, just you go on, on my mind. On my mind. The darkness falls, the shadows break, and the dawn returns. Even then I can't explain how deep it burns. Let your thoughts release the stone cold. Find the body's younger than the soul, yeah. I've been known to take my time, and I've been told that I'm alright, and I don't know if I'm your kind. All I know is that you are, you're on my mind. You're on my mind. You're on my mind.
Hey guys, this is my video. And today we are downloading this new game